Welcome to the series where you'll learn how to create your very own Legend of Zelda style game using TypeScript and Phaser 3. Throughout this journey, we'll break down the process of building a rich, interactive, and fully playable top-down adventure game. We'll start with the fundamentals, creating your player character, handling movement and input, and setting up a state machine to control the player's behavior seamlessly. Next, we'll dive into enemy design, teaching you how to create multiple enemies, each with unique behaviors like a simple spider, an invulnerable wisp, and even a challenging boss. You'll also learn how to implement combat, collisions, and health systems for both the players and enemies. From there, we'll explore interactable objects like pots and chests, how to pick them up, throw them, and reward the player with useful items. When it comes to level design, we'll use Tiled, a powerful level editor, to create dynamic overworld and dungeon maps. You'll learn how to connect levels, manage transitions, and implement puzzles like locked doors and traps. Finally, we'll bring everything together by adding essential UI components such as a HUD to display health, a dialogue system, and a menu, and a simple menu. We'll cap it off with a fully designed dungeon featuring challenging mechanics, traps, and a boss fight. This series is designed to be as beginner-friendly as possible, but there are a few things you should know. Some familiarity with TypeScript is helpful, but not required. We won't be covering the basics of TypeScript, but you should be able to follow along if you're new to it. For this series, we'll be using Phaser 3. We also won't be going over the basics of the framework, but we'll cover concepts as we get to them in the series. For our series, we'll be using Tiled, a free level editor, to create our dungeon and our overworld maps. Finally, we'll provide starter assets and utility scripts to help you focus on game development rather than asset creation. This free series covers everything you need to build a base Legend of Zelda style game. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this course will give you the tools and knowledge to create your own exciting top-down adventure game. So let's get started and build something amazing together.